Spray. We're back. One of the local offices that I clean. We have numerous office spaces here. It wraps around into a big circle. We're gonna go through, clean all the bathrooms, wipe all these desks off, counters, hit up the printer, shredder, entrance doors. We'll double back over here. We have small single stall bathrooms. Go into the warehouse, and we have another bathroom located up there. So we're gonna start with these bathrooms first and give them a full rundown. Mirrors, sinks, toilets, empty the trashes. Cleaning supplies here. We're gonna continue around wiping all these desks. So the way I go is I give everything a spray. And then I double back through and I give everything a wipe. We take my fancy rag here. So this is the back half of the office space here. I have a big conference room. Their break room. We have some executive offices down here. So I just continue through wiping everything. Come into break room. We're gonna clean these tables. As you can see, not so dirty today. Got some fingerprints come through their little kitchen area. We're gonna clean the fridge, clean all this off, up in the sinks, take care of this coffee spills here, and up in their microwave. So now we left everything spotless, clean. We wiped up all of this, looking good. Pulled out these chairs so I could get it all on the floor. Next, we're gonna dive into the trash. So I set up everything here. My recycle bin, got my trash, and we just go around to all the offices, grabbing everything that we need. We're gonna start in this back corner, down on the end. Grab the recycling here. Take this bag out. And then we just put a bag back in and grab everything around the building. Let's ride with the trash. We did all these offices here, making our way around the front area. Not too much for the weekend service. Filling the bag up. And just continue to go around in the circle. We have about 3 more offices to hit. Bathroom trash, everything like that. Most of these trashes aren't used very much. Like, this one is empty, so we don't worry about it. And we just keep moving on. Weekend service is always pretty simple. Oh, we got all the trash. We're gonna come over here and get it dumped. We got a dumpster right outside this door. Full dumpster, but it's here. So we got the whole area vacuumed. We got our fancy dancy hose. Fill up this mop bucket. We got a few areas to mop. We got this full break room and the first set of bathrooms that were in the beginning. Cleaned up all this stuff. Everything is wiped, trash removed, and everything is vacuumed. We are looking good. Starting to get this lunchroom all mopped. We're gonna mop under this table first like I did. Put these chairs back in so I can mop the rest. As you can see, I just hit up under the table. and then we're gonna go through and mop the rest of it. We are all finished up, as you can see. I'm gonna wheel this back in my fancy closet over here. All the lights are gonna get shut off. And we make our way out. Leave the place exactly how I found it. Chairs are all pushed into the desk. Get all the lights off and we get out of here. We mopped up behind this desk. We mopped up this front office. We mopped up this area here with the bathrooms. We are all done.